Hello everyone, welcome to the NRH channel. Dear students, in yesterday's class we have seen the 3-4 examples from the same exercise number 6.5 and few examples I have given the homework. I hope you done. So today we'll discuss about the 7th main question. Try to understand the question what they given, then what they asked to prove here. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus is, see a rhombus they given. You know that rhombus has all sides are equal and opposite angles are equal, but here the given sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So you have to prove that sum of the squares of four sides of square is equal to the sum of the square of these two diagonals. You have to prove here. So children, see first you have to draw the diagram. ABCD is the rhombus, and we know that what are the properties of the diagonals of rhombus. The diagonals of the rhombus are bisect each other at perpendicular. See that what is that? The diagonals of the rhombus are bisect each other at the perpendicular at O. So here ABCD is the rhombus, diagonal AC and BD is intersecting at the point O. Now these are perpendicular, bisect each other. You have to know, should remember this property. So what is the given? ABCD is the rhombus whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point. First you have to write the given. See what you are going to prove here. The sum of the square of four sides. It means that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to diagonals AC square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. These are the two diagonals. Now proof. See here, we know that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at the right angle are perpendicular. I told that already. So it means, see that OA, say bisect means equal to the two equal parts. The diagonals are bisect each other at the two equal parts. So AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. These are the bisect each other. Then see angle AOB. Angle AOB is equal to angle BOC, because perpendicular bisect means each side it forms the 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. So here the four triangles are there. Each is right angle triangle here. So in a right triangle AOB, first you have to take the right angle triangle AOB. We know that how to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to, that is AB square is equal to base into height, AO square plus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So give this equation 1, and similar next right angle triangle, that is BOC. See in right angle triangle BOC, see again BC square hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two side squares. That is the equation 2. So one more right angle triangle COD again same. See the according to Pythagoras theorem, and similar one more right angle triangle AOD. See here right angle triangle AOD by Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two side squares. I hope you understood, children. Now then these four equations you have to add. Add the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get. See that add the all four hypotenuse of the right angle triangles, that is, see here AB square, first LHS you have to add AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus what is that AD square or DA square is equal to, see children, see is equal to here RHS side what is that AO square plus OB square, correct? AO square plus OB square. See that here 2 times OB is there, correct? And 2 times OB, and similar, see that here OA 2 times and OD 2 times. So you have to write the direct 2 times of the OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OD square, correct? So then 2 times of the OA square plus OB square. Then see that instead of OC and OD, see what I will take here, because we know that See children, in the diagram, AO is equal to OC, correct? These two diagonals are bisect each other. It means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. So instead of we are taking the OA square, means OA square, see that OA square, OC square means we are taking the OA square and OD square means we are taking the OB square, because OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB, correct? So see next, see 2 times OA and 2 times OB. Now 2 into bracket as it is into 2 times of the OA square plus 2 times of the OB square. So 2 you have to take the again common, 2 into 2 4, then OA square plus OB square as it is. So open the bracket, 4 into OA square 4 OA square plus 4 into OB square 4 OB square. Correct children? So 4 is the square number of 2, OA is the square number of 2, correct? So you have to write in the bracket 4 into OA whole square plus 4 into OB whole square, correct? So children, see 2 times of OA square means C is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to, see here 2 times of OA square. Come to the diagram here, 2 times of AO square. Now AO 2 times of, this is a AO, 2 times of AO means that is a AC. Now 2 times of AO square means OA square means a AC square. 2 times of OB means a, see 2 times of OB. OB means this one. 2 times of OB means you can take from the BD. Now that is the BD square. It means that the sum of the squares of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonal is a diagonal. So O is the midpoints of the each of the diagonals AC and BD of the rhombus. Now like that you have to prove the theorem. The square on the sum of the 4 sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals. I hope you understood children. See the next 8th main question. First see the question about again, little lengthy is there, try to understand. Question is, in figure, they given diagram, in figure O is a point in the interior of the triangle ABC. They given triangle ABC, O is the point in the interior. So OD is perpendicular to BC they given. OE is perpendicular to, what is that? OE is not, OD is perpendicular to BC. This OD is perpendicular to BC and OE is perpendicular to AC, and similar OF is perpendicular to AB. 3 perpendiculars they given. You have to show that, see little length is there, OA square plus OB square plus OC square. See what is that? OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus, what is that? CE square. First one, this one you have to prove, and similar second one what you have to prove here, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. See opposite of this one you have to prove that. First and second 2 questions are there. See how to prove children one by one. See carefully diagram children. Here they given OF, OD and OE are the perpendiculars of the AB, CD and the AC. Now just a little construction. Join OA, OB and OC to the O. Correct. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, see here also there are 3 or 6 right angle triangles are there. We will take the one by one. First in triangle AOF. See in right triangle AOF. In right angle triangle AOF. See what is the hypotenuse here? AO is the hypotenuse. This is the base and this is the height. So according to Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. This is the equation 1. And similar triangle BOD, right angle triangle BOD. Hypotenuse is OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. This is the equation 2. One more right angle triangle, that is COE. COE. This right angle triangle, hypotenuse is OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square. This is equation 3. Now add the equation 1, 2, 3. Adding the equation 1, 2, 3. First you have to add the LHS here. OA square plus OB square plus OC square. OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to OF square plus AF square, correct, and OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus EC square, correct. LHS you have to add the LHS side and RHS you have to add the RHS side. See first see here what you have to prove here. See these three terms in this equation you have to bring on the left hand side. See here, OA square plus OB square plus OC square as it is. See here, OD you have to bring the left hand side, that is a minus OD, sign will be changed, minus OD. And next OE you have to bring on the left hand side, its sign will be changed, minus. And OF also you have to bring the left hand side, minus OF square. Remaining what is that? AF square plus BD square plus EC square. See here, this one will get the answer. See, just these three terms are there on right hand side. You have to bring on the left hand side, you will get the equation. So this is a proof of the first one. So I hope you understood, children. See the second question, what you have to prove here, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. See, just compare this equation. See here, children, second one, from the above equation, what we get here, just see the above equation. We proved that first already here. So this one you have to write as it is. What is the given question? AO square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to this one as it is. You have to write here. So children, AF, see on the right hand side what is there? If you change the equation LHS to the RHS, the equation remains the same. Nothing will be changed now. This one you have to bring left hand side, this one you have to throw on the right hand side. So here AF square plus BD square plus EC square as it is, correct. This is the second one. I am going to prove the second one, this one. So is equal to, see, AO square, correct. AO square is there already. So this one you have to arrange in the proper order. OA square, so minus OE square, right in the bracket. OA square minus OE square and plus, here is there, OC square minus this OD square as it is, you have to write, plus OB square minus OF square as it is. I hope you understood, children. See next, AF square plus BD square plus EC square as it is. See here in the diagram, OA square minus OE square means what? See what is that? OA square minus OA square minus OE square means what is that? AE square, correct. In this right angle triangle, AO is the hypotenuse. OA square minus OE square means what is that? AE square, correct. OA square minus OE square means AE square, correct. Plus, see, OC square minus OD square means OC square minus OD square means what is that? What is that? CD square, correct. See, hypotenuse minus base means height. See, that is the CD square. Plus OB square minus OF square. See, OD square minus OF square. OB square hypotenuse in this right angle triangle. OB is the hypotenuse. OB square minus base. Base is OF square. Now see, hypotenuse and the minus height. OF square is equal to what is that here? Base, that is the BF square. See, second one, what there's the question to prove here. See, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So you got that. Just by comparing this equation, you will get the second one answer. I hope you understood, children. Now these examples are very important. See that little lengthy is there, but little bit you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. You will get the answer by which triangles you have to take. Then compare by comparing the given answer, you have to find the remaining equations, we will get the correct answer. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.